participants. Our presentation today is on the Save the Hills experience in disaster information exchange and knowledge sharing using WhatsApp in the Darjeeling Sikkim Himalaya. To start from the beginning, Save the Hills Estage, a Kalimpong-based NGO, initiated and coordinated a WhatsApp group, Hazard Alerts, HA, in 2016. The primary aim was the rapid and reliable dissemination of hazard information and warnings at the grassroots level in the highly vulnerable Darjeeling Sikkim Himalaya. HA evolved as a logical sequel to the process of utilizing the Estage blog as a powerful tool in DRR. This path-breaking endeavor was greatly facilitated by the pervasive and ubiquitous use of WhatsApp in a region. At present, HA has 223 members from diverse backgrounds. Consequently, information filters almost instantaneously at all levels. So how has the apps been used? Hazard Alerts on WhatsApp has become a powerful platform today, enabling members to communicate quickly and effectively during a disaster, even in remote, inaccessible mountain areas, and especially when the traditional modes of communication are disrupted. A variety of content formats is also available on WhatsApp, and HA has exploited this advantage by consistently striving to deliver interesting and meaningful content. Information is crowdsourced from HA members and is forwarded to all stakeholders instantly on a real-time basis as well as asynchronously. The basic challenge that we face is that WhatsApp only allows a maximum of 250 members. Therefore, a very careful selection of members has to be made to ensure maximum outreach. The second major challenge is expectation management, especially under constraints of limited resource outreach, lack of official clout, bureaucratic recidivism, and challenges of resourcing and always having to ensure the presence of volunteer experts and government officials who can deal effectively with the various issues being addressed. Moreover, the admin has to be extremely well informed, well connected and vigilant to post latest updates, news, and at the same time verify the authenticity of all posts, issue timely warnings, but at the same time ensure that there is no panic. Undoubtedly, the major success of HA has been the speed and the reach of informations and warnings. Secondly, over the past 4 years, HA has grown from strength to strength in both participation and popularity. Today, both HA and the Estage blog are firmly established as the most credible, respected, and reliable source of information and as a knowledge bank for various environmental issues in our region. Regarding recommendations, Wing Commander Rao had made an observation that I'd like to share. He'd said, if COVID-19 has done any good at all, it is to make us realize how cost-effective and powerful the cell phone technology is. And the use of this platform should be encouraged, especially to reach remote communities and not just in DRR. Indeed, we should all explore and pursue the immense potentiality of this medium and utilize it fully. It is also time that we change our mindsets and let go of a notion that sharing of hazard information is linear and hierarchical. Our experience at HA has made us understand that we are in a new era of flexible and improvised networking, and that the flow of information is not just linear but multidirectional. HA has also given us a greater understanding that the general public is a resource and not a liability. There have been innumerable instances in HA where we have seen that the local communities are the first responders, chiefly because, firstly, they are now equipped with a powerful DRR tool, which they never had before. Secondly, as local residents, they have more information and experience to understand the magnitude of the problem. And therein lies the value of crowdsourcing of hazard information at the grassroots level. In conclusion, the Estage experience clearly exemplifies that the cell phone technology bridges a tremendous gap in disaster management. And if at all there is one lesson we need to learn, it is if we only rely on the traditional and rigid mode of information sharing, it will just be a case of too little and too late. And Hans Rieger has already sounded the alarm. There is only one Himalaya to lose. Thank you.